This is the A95X streaming box. The screen is an Akia 120 edge free 4K cinewhite screen with an RGB Alexa lighting kit. The lighting kit around the edge of the screen.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Shut up, Alexa. Sorry about that. Alexa didn't shut up. So you can tell Alexa whatever colors you want it to be. Right now I have it set on a mode that cycles between several different colors. The projector is an Epson 4855WU 4000 lumen projector. This is a very, very bright projector for its lumen class, and the colors are incredibly rich. As a matter of fact, this projector will outperform most of the 4K projectors that are under $1,700 in price. This projector had a retail price of $2,800, and the ones that I have are in stunning shape, almost like new. Okay, this is the interface on the A95 streaming box. I'm going to start with the movie player. And you could connect it to the network and access a network drive to play network videos. For example, as you can see, this projector has a phenomenal picture. This is a 120-inch screen, by the way. This is a 4K UHD video that we're watching. I'll show you a few others. For example, this is Cyberpunk 2077 gameplay. Aquaman. Okay, so that's the video play on the 4K player, and I've got Netflix here, as you can see. You see, I've also got Hulu, Vudu, YouTube TV, Miracast, Prime Video, HBO Max, Plex installed, and I've got YouTube installed. Just regular old YouTube, as you can see. Down here, I've got a wide variety of games available. Angry Birds, Call of Duty, Among Us, Clash of Clans, PB Racing, Block Puzzle, Minecraft, Mahjong, Solitaire, RuneScape, Pokemon, Dual Star, Roblox, and this is a test, gamepad tester. This is to test the gamepad. I've got a gamepad that goes with this, so you can play games like BB Racing, Call of Duty that need a gamepad. This is my favorite game, Mahjong. Played this all the time. Okay, so lots of games. You can add more. Anything in the App Store. TikTok, Google, Chrome. You want to run Chrome? Run Chrome. There you go. Yahoo Finance. Anything you want. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Zoom. I have a Zoom session going, so I can bring that up. Can't see it because the lights are off in the room, but I'll turn the lights on. Not a particularly good webcam, but you can see the size of the screen here. 120-inch screen. Just a 720p webcam, about $10 or $15. Has a microphone built into the webcam, which is really nice. Down here, I've got my office. I got my remote client, which allows me to attach to my server or my desktop computer and work there, because I have a keyboard, a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. I have my calendar program, my file browser. This is my Google Drive, my cloud drive, so I can go out to my Google Drive and bring up something like a rental agreement, for example. I can go in and edit the rental agreement, print it out. Keyboard. Yeah, I can. Go. Okay. There's the Play Store, things to do maintenance with, maintenance programs, tools, programs, everything you need. So that just about does it for this demonstration.